Hey guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to one of the most efficient apps, which is called Google Classroom, that you can use for your online Google classes. For this you need to go to the Google Classroom, and as you guys see I have already used this app for so many times, so now I'm going to demonstrate you how to create a new class. So I have so many classes already, and I'm going to click on the button to create a class. Once I read all the policies, I say I agree with the policies, and I'm going to comply with the rules of the policies, and then I need to create a name of the class. So for example, the name of the class is going to be Traveling Around the United States. Section 1, room 104, subject 111. Subject can be, for example, getting to know new places. That's it. It takes one minute to create a class. And here we go, our class is ready, and now we are going to invite our students. So you're gonna click on this button. If you guys want, either you can copy the link and send the link through any messengers you prefer, or you can type in the email address right over here, and recipient and invite. Yes, your students are invited, and then you can create your own assignments, quizzes, so that your students can do them right on the platform. That's it. Thank you guys so much for your attention.